Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope everybody is fine and everybody is doing good and well. And in today's video, it's mostly like a vlog. Today's video is our today's vlog, and whatever we are going to do today, we are going to show you from morning to the night. First, if you're talking about morning, we should make our breakfast. That is why you are seeing cooking in the starting of the video. This is my Ammu making my and my Bunu's breakfast. She was about to make us what we call that, hot dogs, but we did not have sausages in our house. That's why she made us something like hot dog, but using egg. So first she fried the egg, and then she fried the bread with butter. Then she applied some mayonnaise on top of the bread. Cheese on top of the bread, and then she put one slice of egg in each bread, just like this. And then we're done. We usually don't take a heavy breakfast. We just take little bit breakfast. Usually we just take a cup of milk, but as it was Saturday, so that is why we took something, not a cup of milk especially. And then my Ammu, and for my Ammu is making coffee. Yeah, if you know, she's making coffee, and it's done. We had our breakfast, and these were my birds in the morning. After getting up from sleep, she's again sleeping. She's such a sleepy bird. I know, right? This Elisa, she will always eat, and if we don't give her food, she'll be screaming on top of her lungs, and then she'll be quiet. These are a quick check on our other birds. I love Emily. Emily is that green and red lovebird. I love Emily. She's so perfect. She's so awesome. I just like her. And these are the budgies and all my birds. Mostly, we put our lovebirds and the budgies in one cage, just like that. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. As you can see, my Didi is studying right now. She loves to study. She always studies. That's why she loves to study. She is very much creative, and her handwriting is also so nice. See, she drew this, and she also colored it. She also labeled it. She drew this also. See, I told you she's so much creative, and she made this by herself. She drew this, she made this like a book. Yeah. Many people commented that I don't talk that much, but it's nothing like that. My Didi bhai always gives the voice, that's why I don't give, and that's it. This is my Bunu's big treasure box. If you don't know, I'm gonna tell you that my Bunu loves to eat lollipops. That's why we bought this big box of lollipop for her, and she always keeps it in front of the study table. And while she's studying, she's just looking at the lollipop box and studying. I guess these lollipops are her motivation. That's so super weird, because lollipops and motivation, but suits herself. People are different. And then for lunch we had this fish fry. We bought this fish, and my Amma made so delicious fish fry with it. She fried the fish with onions and chilies, and it was so super delicious. This fish fry, it was so amazing. And she also made some spinach fry for us. Everything was so amazing. That was all for our lunch. And yeah, I got a cold, so sorry about my voice. Anyway, then after lunch, I just had to study some of my schoolwork, so I did that. And after that, I was making a dinner. I already asked my Ammo that can I make our dinner, and she said okay. So I went on to make fried rice. I also made fried rice before, and I took it to school and I really liked it. My friends also liked it so much, and so I thought, why not make fried rice one more time? But this time we're gonna make it a mixed fried rice. I'm going to put eggs, chicken, and even shrimps in there. Yummy. Let's start. And suddenly something very bad happened to me. And while I was cutting this carrot in here, yeah, I know I should have been more careful. But while I was cutting the carrot, I by mistakenly cut my hand right here. It hurt a lot. I cut two of my fingers. I sliced them off. It hurted so much, but then I put on some band-aids. Man, it was okay. At least it was my left hand, so I was saved. Like, I can write, I can do anything. I am so lucky that it was my left hand. But anyway, I did not leave cooking. I continued to cook. After I put some bandages, my thumb and my ring finger got sliced off. Anyway, it did not actually slice off. I just cut it. Cut it. Yeah. Anyway, then I cut the spring onions. I also cut the mushrooms, and I finally chopped some garlic, and now I'm cutting the spring onions and this carrot. I already hate carrots, and now I hate carrots even more. Anyway, then I got on to fry some eggs. I just poured the oil and I cracked 3-piece eggs, and then I scrambled it. I put some salt in there. And then I just take it off. Yes, just like that. And then we are done with our eggs. And then we can move on while frying the other things. I'm going to fry all my side ingredients first, and then I'm going to put it all together. And then I fried shrimps. This is the first time I'm ever making fried rice with shrimps. I never do that. For fried rice, I usually put just egg. Just a simple egg fried rice. But this time I'm making mixed fried rice. Don't tell me this was the first time I'm ever working with fishes in my life, so it was super hard for me. I couldn't fry this shrimps. It was so hard. I put the shrimps into the oil. It was popping off, and the oil was all coming to myself. I was just moving forward. And yeah, later on I got to know I ain't supposed to fry the fishes like this. I was supposed to keep it white, but I actually made it very crispy. But it's alright because it's just my first time. Next time I'll take care of that. Anyway, after the shrimps, I put the garlics in there. I'm going to fry all my vegetables first. I put the garlic, and then my onions, and then my mushrooms, and then I'm going to give it a stir. I'm extremely sorry for my voice. And then I'm going to put some carrots in there, and then stir it, and then put some, what do you call that? Yeah, salt and black pepper in there. I put some salt and then some black pepper, and then mix it all together. And when it's perfectly done, I'm going to take it off. Kept it in a bowl, and now we can fry our chicken. I had already some tandoori chicken in there, and you can use any chicken. I already had tandoori chicken in my house, so I just used them. And then I am going to go on with the rice. First I put the spring onions, and then I put the rice in there. After putting the rice, I'm going to mix it, and then I'm going to put our chicken, and then the shrimps, and then our egg, and then finally the vegetables. And then now we can mix it all together, and then I'm putting some soya sauce. I put 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, and then I'm mixing it all together. Actually, the rice is too much for my pan, but it's alright. Then I am slicing some chilies in there, because obviously we love to eat chilies, and then sprinkle with some spring onion. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Ma salama.